It can get ugly. It can get ugly. DJ Cool. It can get ugly.
Come on. Fuck is everybody so mad at the South for? Learn how to switch your style up and go southpaw. If you ain't mean to say it, what you open your mouth for? Better reason for me to just open your scalp more. All these metaphors and similes are memories. I'ma expose these young boys' identities. I'm still slick with the tongue and quick with the gun, dating back to whoever. I'm as sick as they come. War is amongst the apprentices, and these little dudes is just playing with sentences. The difference is they do it for less, I do it the best. How many live niggas you know that do it to death? Yes, life is a bitch and I came in her. Similar to Mellow when it comes to the game winners, whatever do. We can lock up or slug it out. Either way you'll be amazed how I thug it out. What?
Put your hoodie on and just thug it on now. ACG boots, thug it on now. Let your pants sag and just